I got a Downspout door here. Just did a simple downspout roof runoff system to a pop-up, just one line. We have our pop-up with the turf restrictor plate right there. Came under the sidewalk with Schedule 40 PVC. Over here we have our Y clean out access and vent. Pull a little cap off there, clean that out. Right here we have our catch basin. We can get this open. This will trap all the shingle grit, anything that runs off the roof, leaves, debris, makes it through there. The customer can just suck this out once a year and keeps their system clean.